Welcome to Relocating to Disney. Now, one of the things that you hear a lot about is people are concerned about moving to Florida because of hurricanes and tornadoes and storms like that. So today we have a tornado watch. This is a unique opportunity to show you what a Florida storm is like. So I'm going to provide a couple updates throughout the day, just coming outside and showing you what in this case, a tornado watch is like here in Florida.
Tornado watch for the following counties in Florida: Lake, Orange, Polk, Seminole, and Volusia. Tornado watch number 545 remains in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Lake, Orange, Polk, Seminole, and Volusia. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to know.
So here's an update. We have had a tornado watch warning come across the weather radio. We just had a thunderstorm watch come across. It's still pretty far away, but I guess it's eventually going to be heading our way. The lights in the house have already flickered twice, but take a look around here. I mean, that palm tree's not even blowing in the breeze. It's been raining on and off. It'll rain for a few minutes and then stop. So, so far so good, but I'll keep an eye on this storm and keep giving you updates. Now, the thunderstorm watch has been upgraded to a warning. It's really humid out here. It's probably about 85% humidity. And off in the distance, I can hear the rumbling sounds of thunder. Well, here's the update. The thunderstorm is here. There's lightning strikes going on all around. You probably can't hear them. And it's raining out. The raining isn't anything more than you would expect in a regular storm. And so far, the wind isn't too bad. But this is the lightning capital of the world. So we're going to get our fair share and more of lightning strikes. Well, that thunderstorm lasted about 30, maybe 45 minutes. We've had thunderstorms with a lot of close strikes. This one didn't have very many of them. In fact, one thunderstorm a couple of weeks ago was so close it hit the tree in the side yard. So that's pretty darn close. But this time it wasn't too bad. There is a tornado watch in the neighboring county right now, but so far right now it doesn't look too bad outside. The rain has stopped and it looks like it's clearing up a little bit for us anyways. Well, that's pretty much it for this storm. We got some rain, got some lightning, but not a lot of lightning. And it overall wasn't that bad. We were kind of fortunate here. There were some reports of possible tornadoes in other counties around us. I don't know if that actually happened or not. But yeah, for a Florida storm, we seem to have done pretty good. Thank you for watching.